Something is on the market for more than a year. A year in which the Voortman V807 robotic profile cutting machine has been capable of establishing and differentiating itself as an all-in-one machine. Developed and assembled by our exceptional craftsmen, the Voortman V807 raises the bar for the entire fabrication industry. The breakthrough rotational axis design ensures efficient, accurate four-sided processing with layout marking, 3D plasma, and oxy-fuel cutting. With its rigid frame, Stably robot, and Hypertherm XPR source, everything that comes out of the V807 is of the highest quality, requiring minimal post-processing. Its compact design enables fully assembled transportation of the V807 in a single shipping container for short delivery times and fast installations. Put it to work as an all-in-one standalone machine or as part of MSI. It's available. The Voortman V807.